Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 2. A carpenter on top of a roof 20 meters high dropped a hammer of mass 1.5 kilograms and it fell freely to the ground. The kinetic energy of the hammer just before hitting the ground is A. 300 joules, B. 450 joules, C. 600 joules, D. 150 joules. And we are given G, acceleration due to gravity, as 10 meters per second square. Now what we are looking for here is the kinetic energy of the hammer, but not just the kinetic energy of the hammer, specifically the kinetic energy of the hammer just before hitting the ground. Now, one of the principles of conservation of mechanical energy, as observed when an object is falling from a height freely under the influence of gravity, is that just before that particular object hits the ground, the kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy. So the formula you use to get the kinetic energy will be the same formula you use to calculate the potential energy, which in this case is mgh. So that is the formula you will be making use of. Now you just substitute the values given to you directly. M, which of course is your mass, 1.5 kg, multiplied by G, acceleration due to gravity, which is 10, and then multiplied by the height, which is 20, and that altogether will give you 300 joules. Joules of course being the unit of energy, in this case potential or kinetic energy. So 300 joules is option A, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.